right, here we are. We're gonna go on a boat tour of the Hoover Dam that you can see behind us here. All right, we have made it to Boulder City, Nevada. There's our campground. Yeah. And there's Lake Mead. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right, we are at the Hoover Dam. We're gonna do the Hoover Dam walkway. We just went through security to get in here and it was nuts. So I even got searched, so.
Are you gonna do a ramp or do you want to do stairs?
Do the stairs. Right. Come on. Come on, this is going to prepare us for Morro Rock.
True, Daddy.
Which we are going to be doing here in a short time period. So, alright. Look at that way down there, Isla. Okay. Here we go. We're going to go see the Hoover Dam.
Here we go.
We're walking the, what is it, the Memorial?
Yeah, the Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Hoover Dam.
No.
Looking at the Hoover Dam. What's it called? I can hear you.
The Hoover bleep.
Really neat. Very cool. Huge. That is so cool. That's huge. And we got to remember they built this 91 years ago, right? Now we're gonna go find out how to get to the visitor center over here, and then we're gonna walk to the top. Now we are going to see the top side of the dam. Watch out for cars. The parking is pretty full and it's not even that late or anything yet. They said this is an overflow channel. Overflows goes down there and must go to the river because you can hear the water running if you're real quiet and there's no traffic. You can hear water flowing down there. It's like a hole to nowhere. It goes forever. Kind of creepy.
Nevada intake tower. The other one's in Arizona.
Yeah, we're now in Nevada again. How'd it feel to walk across the state?
It was a long trekking visit.
I cannot imagine this overflowing. It's overflowed in 83, Mom, right?
Yeah. Right.
Not picture that. That'd be crazy. Unfortunately, the exhibits are closed. Wah, wah, wah. It's too bad. We like to see those.
Yeah.
If you come to the Hoover Dam and have to go to the bathroom, don't worry, because there's bathrooms inside these.
Okay, that was so like 1940s.
Men's restroom right inside here. Okay. Hoover Dam restroom here. Come on, baby, let's go see what the bathrooms look like. The inside looks cool, the leading up to it looks cool, and then it's a big disappointment. It's just a bathroom. And not very clean at that. Let's get out of here. There we are on the other side of the dam. It's a long ways down. Look at that, that view is beautiful though. I cannot believe how far over them towers are leaning though.
I know.
Electrical towers, that is insane looking.
Nobody gets to go down this road. It's called Lower Porter. It's a level 1 security road. It's like the White House, so it's only people that go down there are the people that work in Hoover Dam. So you're in for a treat.
Well, what do you think? We're gonna go see the Hoover Dam on a boat where no one else can go. Yay! Woo-woo! This is how she's starting her boat trip.
Man-made reservoir in the United States. Covers a distance and length of about approximately 110 miles. The widest area is approximately 8 miles wide and it averages about 130 feet deep. It's man-made because prior to the completion of Hoover Dam, this was all desert. There's no water out here, no Lake Mead. Lake Mead was then, after Hoover Dam was completed, it was then filled in from the Colorado River. It took a little over 2, maybe 2.5 years to fully fill in Lake Mead. It's a very large body of water. But you'll see that's the hub of Hoover Dam right there. We're going all the way down to the bottom there.
It was awesome.
If you look down the bottom there to the right, you'll see your vehicle right there that's going to take you, your raft. Your raft pilot is Gianni. He's great. He's going to give you a lot of information about this area.
All right, here we are. We're gonna go on a boat tour of the Hoover Dam that you can see behind us here. Look at that bridge. That is insane. So awesome. Here's our boat ride. Look at you guys looking comfy. Good?
Alright folks, welcome aboard. I'm glad you're all here. We're going to have an outstanding day. So it's 1/10 of what it used to run. The reason they built this dam was for flood control and water storage behind the dam in order to use this water to control. Quite a big space for a lot of Boy Scouts to camp. Space-wise, you got a lot of room for tents. The only challenge when it's in the spring and it's raining, you get monsoon summer or monsoon season.
We are having a lunch break on the Colorado River on our boat tour. How amazing. Check it out. They said the water is about 58, 60 degrees. And this is awesome. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna dunk our toes and stuff in because, I mean, why not? Very, very awesome. Gotta thank Atlas Med staff because they paid for it. So very cool.
Atlas Adventure.
We are a nursing family. Crystal, my wife, is the nurse, and her staffing agency, Med Staff, or Atlas Med Staff, has provided us with a lovely trip down the Colorado River. Thank you. It's amazing. Let's go dunk our toes.
So cold. Like
Water coming in. Oh my God. Woo. How's it feel?
Freezing cold.
So cold that it literally hurts. I mean, it really hurts. It hurts.
Your bones.
It actually hurts. Yes, we have gotten into the Colorado River. And it's freezing.
Freezing cold.
Freezing cold. And I guess we just can't say thank you, Atlas, enough. Dang, this is awesome.
It only supports about a handful of wildlife, and then the other plants support over hundreds.
oh, it's actually really cool. You can see the bottom of it.
Let's see. Ooh, wow, look how beautiful that is. You see all the way down there, huh? All right, we made another beach stop. Our guide wants to find Ireland some rocks.
Pyrite, and the difference, pyrite and gold, where you can tell the difference. That's pyrite, it's shiny in the sun, but in the shade, it's not shiny.
Oh, okay.
Gold still has a shine when you shade it.
Okay. Nice,
I
that's a
wish it
good
was still
one.
shiny.
Nice, right? Let me see. Let's show them real quick. Look at that. Pyrite
Cosmetic
and then
mica.
cosmetic mica. All right, there it is. We're done. If you ever get a chance, do it. If you're out this way, do it. It's amazing. You won't regret it. Gianni, you're the bomb. a lot of knowledge dropped on us today. Very informational.
And
Very
I got
funny.
rocks.
Got jokes. Even made a awesome little pit stop for Ireland here to find her some rocks. So Gianni, he's the man.
Yeah, he was
Super awesome tour. Do it.